Welcome to the Spinning Planet E107 video tutorials. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you the next stages of the web shop. In the first video tutorial I showed you how to do adding content, categories and products, as well as view your orders of the web shop. So in the admin section of the website I have gone to plugins, SP web shop, and of course that brings up the dashboard of your web shop. And in this one I'm going to show you how to add options and attributes to your product that you've set up in the previous video tutorial. I'm also going to show you how to set up a voucher and the postal regions for your shop. So under options attributes on the right hand side, we are going to add a option to the previously uploaded product that we've made. Okay, so we want to create a option called size. Now this option group needs to be the same for each option that you're making, so I'm going to call it size, and remember it's case sensitive, so I'm keeping note that I've got a capital S there. Okay, and I'm going to make it small, and the value for this small is going to be $10 less than the original price, and you can change that by selecting the operator as negative, and I'm going to apply it to the product that we just created. So product is called video tutorial product, and click submit. Okay, and if you want to, you can use the filter tool so that you can filter down and see the current products that are already assigned to a product. Okay, and you can see that there's one made there. We're going to add a new one, so remembering keeping that option group the same. And now we're going to make it large, and the option is $10 more expensive than the original cost. If you don't want anything to change in value, just keep that as a 0 and it won't make any changes to the cost. Okay, and we're going to assign it to that product. So now if we go to the front of the website, and this is the product that we've added, I'm just going to reload the page. You now see that there's an option size and there's a small and large, and the price has already automatically been adjusted when we click on that. So that's how we add an option or attribute to a product. Now say if you wanted to add vouchers or coupons to your shop so that customers can get discounts for certain things, or a loyalty system, so to speak of, you can create a voucher on the shop, and you can do that by clicking on the right hand side under vouchers. Okay, and you can see that there's one already pre-set up. I'm going to add a new one. So the coupon title could be something just for you to remember, so you might want to call it like something like that. Now the coupon code, that should be something that's quite hard to guess, and it's the code that you'll be sending to your customers to get them to verify the discount. So you might want to call it something like, try not to use any spaces, and we just want to make this quite difficult and ambiguous, just because you don't want people trying to guess it and getting the voucher, getting the discount, just because it was simple to guess. Right, we want to give it an expiry date, and this is just so that it may only last for a month. So month first, then the day, and then the year. And the discount type, you can have it as a percentage or a value that is removed. So we just want to do it as a percentage, and we want to say 50% off. And you can assign how many times it's already been used. We want to say 0, and we want to assign how many times it's allowed. So say it's only allowed 100 times. This amount times used will just accumulate based on how many times it's been that each customer's used it, and once it hits 100, it will no longer allow to be used. So when you want to send out that voucher, just send that coupon code to your customers that you want them to use, and they'll be able to type that in when they're making their purchase, and it'll give them a 50% discount. We go submit. Okay, so I've now created a voucher called May Specials Voucher. Okay, there's two different ways of doing postage in the shopping system. There's the flat rate per product way, and also there is postal regions, and we need to set up postal regions if we want to use that, and you can do that on the right hand side by clicking postal regions. And you'll see that there's one already set up for international. We might want to set one up for the North Island. Okay, and there might be a handling fee price for that, so it might be $10 for that, and then you can also assign how much it is per product. So you might want it to be an additional $2 for each product or amount that you have, or the customer has in their shopping cart. So if we click that, so now there's two options in the region. When a customer comes to paying for it, they'll need to select a region that they are from or are in, and then the shopping system will adjust based on whereabouts they have selected. So that's how you do a regional based postage. You will also need to make changes in the main settings, just so you can change it from either flat rate or item based postage. You can see that down here it's on item based postage at the moment. You can select included in product price or region based. So if you want them to select the region, you'll need to make sure that it's region based, and click update.